Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you finding it harder to focus on your screen or struggling with reading those tiny print labels? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into some natural and delicious drinks that can help improve your vision and keep your eyes healthy. And yes, we're going beyond just carrots. We all know that carrots are great for eye health, but did you know that certain drinks can also give your vision a boost? Let's get into it. 1. Carrot juice. It's no surprise that carrot juice makes the top of our list. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. Drinking a glass of fresh carrot juice daily can help protect your eyes from age-related vision problems, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. 2. Green tea. This popular beverage isn't just great for its antioxidant properties, it's also beneficial for your eyes. The catechins in green tea help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of various eye diseases. A daily cup of green tea can go a long way in supporting your eye health. 3. Blueberry smoothie. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which are known to improve vision and protect your eyes from damage. Blend up a delicious blueberry smoothie with some yogurt and honey for a tasty treat that's also fantastic for your eyes. Before we move on to the next super drink, if you're enjoying this video and want more tips on healthy living, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. 4. Spinach and kale juice. Spinach and kale are leafy greens that are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining healthy eyes and can even protect against age-related macular degeneration. Juicing these greens into a nutrient-dense drink is a great way to give your eyes the boost they need. 5. Tomato juice. Another great option is tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from light-induced damage. A daily glass of tomato juice can help reduce the risk of macular degeneration and other eye conditions. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are full of nitrates, which improve blood circulation, including to your eyes. This increased blood flow can help maintain optimal eye health and function. Beetroot juice is not only vibrant and tasty, but also excellent for your vision. 7. Orange and kiwi juice. Last but not least, let's talk about oranges and kiwis. Both of these fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is important for the health of the blood vessels in your eyes. A glass of orange and kiwi juice is not just refreshing, but it's also a great way to protect your eyesight. And there you have it. 7 delicious drinks that can help improve your vision and protect your eyes. Give them a try, and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns related to your vision. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Take care of your eyes, and we'll see you in the next video.